What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here with MarineMax, Texas MasterCraft. Today we're going to walk through a 2023 Crest Classic LX 220. This is the fishing model, so we'll see some of the fishing features on the stern. So let's come inside and check it out. So here in the bow of the boat, first thing I want to point out here, we do have the half door here. So with this being the fishing model, if you do want to throw on a trolling motor, you do have that already cut out for you. So it's ready to be installed pretty easily. Up here, all these couches up front all have storage underneath them. So you have plenty of room for either a cooler, towels, whatever you guys need while you guys are out in the water. And then here in the midway walkway, we do have the flip up table. So a great spot for setting out drinks or snacks for the friends and family. So back here on the back half of the boat, you'll see here on the helm that we do have the Lowrance Hook 5 for fish finder, plotting, anything you guys need while you're out in the water. Storage underneath this port side, as well as an aerated live well right here. Then here on the stern of the boat, we do have the two fishing chairs, very comfortable with cup holders. Just behind it, you have your rod holders as well as tackle storage. On the back of this boat, we do have the 150 Mercury on there, so it'll push this boat really well with it being only 22 feet. Outside of that, this is going to be a great boat for you guys kind of universally, whether you want to take the kids tubing or you want to go out and fishing. So really a very dynamic boat for you guys. Hop on to MarineMax.com. We have all of our other Crest inventory on there. If the fishing model maybe isn't for you, we do have more of a standard layout for both manufacturers that we offer with Crest and Premier. Outside of that, if you guys have any questions, contact me, Jake Jones, at 682-282-9969. Thank you.